Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Chief Iron Mountain PMA. We're thrilled to have you with us. Today, we will share a detailed explanation of a statutory employee. Stay connected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our research. We work late into the night to bring you the most accurate and helpful information. Statutory employee. A statutory employee is an individual who works for a business, but is treated as an employee for certain employment tax purposes, even though they might not be classified as a common law employee. Here is a detailed explanation. Definition. Statutory employee. A worker who is treated as an employee for Social Security and Medicare tax purposes, but treated as self-employed for income tax purposes. Categories of statutory employees. Statutory employees fall into specific categories defined by the IRS. These categories include 1. Agent drivers or commission drivers, individuals who distribute meat, vegetables, fruit, bakery products, beverages other than milk, or laundry or dry cleaning services. They are considered statutory employees if they operate under a contract or agreement and receive payments for their services directly from the company. 2. Full-time life insurance sales agents, individuals who sell life insurance or annuity contracts primarily for one life insurance company. They are statutory employees if their primary business activity is selling these contracts. 3. Home workers, individuals who work at home on materials or goods supplied by the employer and are required to return the finished products to the employer or to a person designated by the employer. They are considered statutory employees if there is a written agreement stating they will work at home and the work is done according to the employer's specifications. 4. Traveling or city. Salespersons, individuals who work full-time on behalf of an employer soliciting orders from wholesalers, retailers, contractors, or operators of hotels, restaurants, or similar establishments for merchandise for resale or supplies for use in their business operations. They must operate under a contract specifying that they will work on a continuing basis for a single employer. Employment tax treatment. Social Security, and Medicare taxes. Employers must withhold Social Security and Medicare taxes from the wages of statutory employees. Employers also must pay the employer's portion of these taxes. Federal unemployment tax, FUTA. Wages paid to statutory employees are subject to FUTA. Income tax treatment, self-employment. Statutory employees are considered self-employed for income tax purposes. Deductions. Statutory employees can deduct business expenses on Schedule C, Form 1040, profit or loss from business. This allows them to claim expenses directly related to their work. Reporting requirements, Form W-2. Employers must issue Form W-2 to statutory employees. The form should indicate that the employee is a statutory employee by checking the Statutory Employee box in Box 13. Schedule. C. Statutory employees must file Schedule C, Form 1040, to report their income and expenses. Benefits of being a statutory employee. Deduction of business expenses. Statutory employees can deduct work-related business expenses on Schedule C, which may lower their taxable income. Social Security and Medicare coverage. Because statutory employees have Social Security and Medicare taxes withheld from their wages, they are eligible for benefits under these programs. Key points to remember. Statutory employees combine elements of both employees and independent contractors for tax purposes. Proper classification as a statutory employee is essential to ensure correct tax treatment. Misclassification can lead to issues with tax reporting and compliance. Additional references, IRS publication, 15, Circular E, Employer's Tax Guide, IRS publication, 334, Tax Guide for Small Business, Form W-2, Wage and Tax Statement, Schedule C, Form 1040, Profit or Loss. From business for detailed guidance, refer to these IRS publications and forms.